Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. This is Dustin Brown with Snohomish County Life, and today we're going to show you how to cut an onion, part 2. Before we showed you how to dice it, today I'm going to show you 2 different types of slices. So first, clean your onion. We're going to save our scraps for the stock, like always. Cut it in half. I like to take the first peel off just because I use it in my soups and stocks, so more flavor the better. Okay, the first cut we're going to show you is called the salad cut. This is against the grain, and so it gives you a great snap when you're eating it raw for a salad. And you can cut these as thick or thin as you like, but you just go this way. Make like a little rainbow bridge with it. And they call this the salad cut because when you cut it against the grain, it has that great snap to it, you know? So that's our salad cut right there. The next cut we're going to show you is called the saute cut, but it's basically anytime you're going to be cooking, you're using it for pasta or maybe soups, but you're not trying to dice it, and that way we'll go with the grain around it. So usually I'll take this end off, give it its own slice on the side, and then you're just going this way. And you'll have these nice slices like this that are just great for sauteing, soups, however you want to do it. Well, thanks for joining me. Next time we'll show you how to cut and cook an artichoke.